Hello YouTube, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another video. Today we are at Supercar Fest. This is one of many videos coming. There'll be a big video coming very soon. But this video is for my passenger ride in a Nissan GTR. As you can tell by my arm, I'm a big fan of the R35, and we're here with Sporting Bears for the Dream Rides, and we're helping out charity in the process. So we're going to head down to the runway in a moment in the Nissan GTR. I'm going to film that for you. It's a 700 brake horsepower Nissan GTR, so can't wait.
Control's going to be much fun. Far too much fun. Are you ready?
I am.
Next year, and we still have 1 hour of action.